Today I'll be unboxing the Apple MacBook Pro M3 Pro version in space black. This is a 14.3-inch model. It comes in two colors. One is the space black, which we have here, and the other one is the silver. Let's see what specs this has. This is a 18 GB unified memory, 512 SSD, 11 core CPU, 14 core GPU. It's 14.2 inch with the liquid XDR display and ProMotion. We have 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, which are USB-C, HDMI, SD card slot, a MagSafe 3 port, and this is enabled by Bluetooth 5.3, the latest one, and Wi-Fi 6E. The camera is 1080p FaceTime HD camera, and it has a backlit keyboard with a Touch ID. And this comes with a 70-watt USB-C power adapter, and also with the USB-C to MagSafe 3 cable, which is standard with the M series of MacBooks. This is the M3 Pro, 512 GB and 18 GB of RAM. So let's go and do the unboxing now. Here we go. So this is the new color just introduced by Apple for this year for the M3s. It's a space black. It's what we have told is it's a darker version of the space gray. Let's see how it looks. So this is the physical overview. I'm not sure how much clearer it is, but what Apple describes this is like, this is a fingerprint free material, so this won't attract the fingerprint like the previous space gray laptops. So this is the HDMI, USB-C, SD card slot, and we have 2 more Thunderbolt ports here, and this is the port for using the MagSafe charger to charge the laptop. Apple claims this to give 18 hours of battery life, and because it's a M3 Pro, it's a 3nm Apple silicon, so definitely Apple claims it to be more power efficient. This is 1.6 kilograms or around 2 pounds, I guess, or 2.3 pounds, but it feels quite heavy. So definitely the 16 inches is too heavy compared to the Intel series of laptops. So let me just take this off. To just tell you all how the color looks, this is more like graphite kind of a color, not the dark black which I expected to be. This is the regular standard screen. It just tilts 120 degree and not 360 or 180. It's a beautiful display. nothing fancy, just same as M2 or M1s. If you're having an Intel one, then there's a difference. So there's no more LED bars here, which we had for the Intels. And the keyboard layout is same for 16-inch and the 14-inch. Again, this is how the Space Black looks. It looks good. I would think silver would be better, but since this was the new color this year, this was definitely worth a shot. And this is how it looks. The MacBook Pro branding here on the back. You can say it's a graphite rather than the Space Black. To translate to any original color you can imagine, it's like a graphite black. A slightly darker version of the space gray. Not too much difference. I expect it to be a little bit more darker. So we have the matching cable this year with the black for the Space Blacks. This is the MagSafe cable. Wow, I'm impressed by this power brick. This power brick, the size of the power brick is very small now, but with 70 watts of charging. This is the best thing Apple has done. They have put the power brick in a very smaller form factor. This is really very handy, and for users who are having an Apple ecosystem with the Apple.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
I'm sorry. To use who has Apple ecosystems with the iPhone and the iPad, this charger will come handy for all your devices. This is very small, very light compared to the previous one. Let me show you. You can just compare how small this is. This is very heavy and it's very small, and I love this one. This is great. So that's pretty much in the box. And I guess we have, for a fan of Apple stickers, we have black stickers this time in the box to designate the Space Black. So that's pretty much with the unboxing. We have the black matching cables, a smaller power brick, and the new color of Space Black. This is pretty thick. This is heavy, but not as heavy as 16-inch. 16-inch is like a rock to carry, unless you're absolutely not using it for traveling. 16-inch is not at all portable, I would say, because this is itself heavy. That's pretty much for the unboxing of the MacBook M3 Pro 14.2-inch Space Black.